So I just want to show you how to schedule the meeting in Microsoft Teams, right? So you have to click on this plus button, then you have to write the meeting with whatever you or whatever the subject you want to do. You can give here all day. That means the meeting can be taken on any time or on the given date. You can change the date whenever you want, and you can change the time also, right? When you have done with all these, click the tick button, right button, so it will create a meeting for you. After that you can share the meeting invite or you can copy the meeting link, right? So just click on the copy meeting link, then go to the school app. On the eConnect option, click on the add button. As you were doing previously, select to the student, then select the class. For example, I am selecting here 10th, then select the subject, select the group. For example, I am using whatever the topic, description, whatever you want to give. Now we have to click here and paste the URL. Then meeting date, start time, end time you have to give. So I am just giving here 27th of June. This time, just I am giving the time also. Just taking the time. I can write here 13:00 and then save. Actually, I have not selected the sections. I am selecting the section 10th A1. Okay. Topic, description, everything you can write here and then click on the save. Successfully data has been saved. Right. Now on 26th of June, I have designed this. Now I just want to check my schedules. Right. So I can export to the Excel. So now the file is here only. You can check. It's just opening. When you are using Microsoft Team, you can have all the Microsoft options like Excel, PowerPoint, everything we are having, right? It's not coming. So from date 27th of June, apply filter. Again, it's back 27th of June to 27th of June, apply filter. So now it is coming 27th of June, SST class, this, and this is the part. Now I can edit this. You can check everything. So it is the URL is coming HTTPS team Microsoft whatever, no password, nothing is there. Now we can change it. But even in fact I don't want to change it. I want to delete it because it's a dummy only. So I'm just deleting it. Right. Now what the student has to do, the student has only to click on that link. But the Microsoft Teams should be installed on his or her computer, laptop or the mobile. Now to start the meeting, just click on the join and you will join the meeting, like join now. Now the students will connect to your meeting and a message will come at the top कि the persons are waiting in the lobby. So you have to admit them just as you were doing in the Zoom. So it's same as Zoom, only some features are different, or you can say the features are at different places only. So you have to check that only. To close the meeting, you have to click this red button. So you will close the or you will end the meeting. As I showed you earlier also that these are the meeting options. In meeting options you can just select who will present or who will share the photos, videos and everything. So you can set the meeting options from here also. You can edit the link and you can close the link. Now see here, when I'm clicking the meeting, it is showing me the meetings that I have scheduled. Like today, 11 to 11:30, 11 to 11:30, whatever the schedules are there, it will be shown here only in the meetings tab. In the teams tab, I will be having the total teams and you can create your own team also. In more, we are having some files. it will show the files from OneDrive only. Like this, I am having only one file on the OneDrive, so I can show this file directly to the students. In the activity, we are having different activity parts, like the one of my student is replying or saying something. For example, you can see here Gaurav Singh 01012 replied, "Good morning, ma'am." So the student can also reply. It is having his own checkbox, but for that you have to create a team, and each and every student has to join the team. So it is we don't have to do this right now. Only we have to create the meeting and we have to send the link to the students. Those teachers who are giving the link on WhatsApp group can directly share the link on the WhatsApp group, like this. Like this is my meeting, so I'm copying the meeting link, then I'll go to the WhatsApp, and for example I'm going to the Edmonds Live 10th standard and just paste here and then enter. You can write here date, class, and time for the class, and the details, teacher, who is the teacher, even subject also you can write here, and just post it. So it's now easy for the students that this is the link and this is the date, class, time, and teacher, subject. So he or she can join it easily. So please try it. Thank you.